Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are objects, people, places, or things that can be counted as discrete units. Example: cat, we can say a cat, one cat, two cats, or we can say cats. Uncountable nouns, also known as mass nouns, are substances, concepts, or things that cannot be counted as individual units. Example: water, we can't say a water, waters, or one water. Instead we say one cup, or one bottle of water. Here's a list of countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns: dog, cat, car, book, table, chair, person, child, apple, computer, house, pen, student, teacher, bird, phone, friend, cup, plate, carrot, window, plant, song, key, shoe. Uncountable nouns: water, air, sugar, salt, love, knowledge, information, money, furniture, weather, time, milk, food, education, traffic, baggage, equipment, jewelry, music, snow, dust, tea, flour, bread, rice, meat, cheese, butter, work, stress, sadness, happiness.